I can't afford any classes. What can I do to become a better actor, singer, or dancer?
So if you can't afford classes and you want to improve, um, it's always possible. It may not be the best way, but it's always possible to just go into an audition and get into a show, and then you could be put into a really small role, and that's how you can learn slowly, gradually. You'll pick things up throughout the entire rehearsal process. It may not be fair to all the other people in the production, but if they accept you into a production, it means they see something in you. So, and if you're willing to be part of the production, say yes, and then you can learn something from there. There are sometimes free workshops in many cities. People offer free workshops in community centers or in universities and schools. Look out for these things and then take a one-day workshop in something. So yeah, these are possibilities. If you still can't afford classes and you really do want to improve, watch lots of videos. That's how you can improve. Don't be afraid to try things out at home, sing out loud at home, dance, pick up a script, find a script online, read it at home. Just, there are always ways. I believe there are always ways. If you're creative enough, just think of all the different things that you can do on your own. Or a cheap way or a free way, just gather some friends together and say, let's sing some songs together. And then the more you sing, or let's read some scripts together, the more you do these things, you will improve. You know, it's like the Sims, that thing on top of you will slowly go up. So yeah, keep doing things like that. You don't need to always pay for classes if you can't afford it, but be creative. So find friends to do it, to practice with you at home. Go for free workshops, free classes. Just be creative.